How to download TurboTax from Amazon after purchase. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download TurboTax from Amazon after you purchase it. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First steps first, open up your Amazon. Head over to amazon.com and log in into your account. After you've logged in into your account, you'll need to scroll up here towards your username, accounts, and listings. After you're here, head over to your account. Tap on account, and after you're here, you should see different options. So let me just cancel this. So after you're here, you'll see an option called Digital Services and Device Support. Head over there, and after you're here, all you have to do is scroll down, and there you should see an option that says your you know software and games. Expand on it if you don't see it, and there's software and games. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, here you should locate your TurboTax. After you find your TurboTax, all you have to do is type in your product key or your activation key, whichever you have. And after you type that in, you will be able to download your app. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And that's all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.